Step by step beginner's guide to making money on YouTube. First, create a YouTube channel. Sign in with your Google account. Go to YouTube and click on profile icon. Create a channel. Second, choose a simple and profitable niche. Pick something you are comfortable with that people also search for. Here are easy content ideas. Unboxing videos, no talking needed. Product reviews. Top 5 or top 10 videos can use text and music. Tutorials or how-to guide like how to use an app. Motivational quotes with music. Relaxing or study music. Cooking without showing your face. Tech explainer videos. Gaming, recorded gameplay. Third, make and upload videos. Use your phone or free editing tools like CapCut, VN or Canva. Add copyright free music from YouTube audio library. Use good thumbnails and titles to attract viewers. Fourth, grow your channel. Upload consistently. Start with 2 to 3 videos a week. Add hashtags, descriptions and good titles. Use YouTube Shorts for faster growth. Share your videos on social media. Fifth, monetize your channel. Once you hit YouTube requirements such as 1000 subscribers and 4000 watch hours in the last 12 months or 10 million shorts views in 90 days, you can apply for YouTube partner program to earn from ad revenue. Super thanks or super chats. Channel memberships. YouTube premium views. Monetize. Sixth, other ways to earn. Affiliate marketing. Promote product and earn commissions. Sponsored videos. Brands pay you to feature their products. Selling digital products or courses. Merchandise. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, hit the like and subscribe. See you in the next one.